morning, students. Now we'll see the point 15.3, that is, how does oxygen become available to animal and plants living in water and soil. Now see in this activity, there are bubbles like structure at the bottom of the water surface because it shows the presence of air in water. So air is there, so definitely oxygen is there. So from the water, oxygen, the plants or animals breathing or through breathing oxygen which is in dissolved form. Okay. Also the animals lives in soil. They took the oxygen from the soil. Okay, for that we have to see one activity. Take a lump of dry soil in a beaker. See what happened. This is lump of soil. If you pour water on it, what can you see? There is bubbles like structures, so because of it shows the presence of air in soil. Okay. See, some animals made the burrows or holes in the deep soil. Why can they live inside the burrows? Because there is a air available, or from the burrow air can move in and out to the soil and they can live. Okay. So during when there is a heavy rain, they can't take oxygen from the soil. That time they come out to take oxygen. That's why during the heavy rain season, all insects came out from the soil. How is the oxygen in atmosphere replaced? See, as we know, this is which century? 21st century. Okay, 2000 साल से हम ऐसे ही जी रहे. तो फिर जो एयर में जो पोर्शन है, प्रपोर्शन है ऑक्सीजन का, वो क्यों बैलेंस रहे, वो क्यों कम नहीं हो रहा है? बिकॉज सी सपोज दिस आर प्लांट्स. ओके, वो ड्यूरिंग द फोटोसिंथेसिस, विच प्रोसेस? फोटोसिंथेसिस क्या करता है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिलीज, during the photosynthesis, it release oxygen, okay, and take carbon dioxide from the environment. जो भी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड हम रेस्पिरेशन में क्या करते हैं, ऑल प्लांट्स एंड सी, जो भी प्लांट्स है, सपोज ये प्लांट है, प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स. ओके, ड्यूरिंग द रेस्पिरेशन what they are doing, they take oxygen inside and they release carbon dioxide. ठीक है, all animals and all plants during the respiration क्या करते हैं? जो एयर में ऑक्सीजन है वो अंदर लेते हैं, that is they are taking and releasing carbon dioxide. So फिर ये ऑक्सीजन कम क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? Why? Because plants दूसरी प्रोसेस भी करता है, that is known as photosynthesis. Okay, photosynthesis, and during that process वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लेता है and it release ऑक्सीजन. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से एटमॉस्फेयर में ऑक्सीजन बैलेंस होता है. Okay, this shows the interdependence of plants and animals. Okay, now look at this, the picture of windmill. Because of wind, it rotates and it is used to draw water from tube wells and run flour mills. Windmills are used to generate electricity. Now, what are the function of the air? Because of air, yachts, gliders, parachute and aeroplanes moves. Birds, birds and insects can fly due to presence of air. Also helps in dispersal of seed. Now, what is the dispersal? Now, suppose this is a cotton plant. Have you ever visit to your farm. So suppose this is a cotton plant. Okay, so outer shell is hard, but inside there is a cotton. तो उसमें कॉटन के सीड्स भी होते, तो फार्म में भी सब कॉटन के सीड ऐसे पड़े होते. वाई? हाउ दे कम्स देयर? बाय वॉकिंग? नो, दे कम विद द हेल्प ऑफ एयर. सो दिस इज द डिस्पर्सल ऑफ सीड. पोलन ग्रेन्स ऑल्सो, जो फ्लावर होता है, सपोज दिस इज सनफ्लावर, तो उसके बीच में जो स्मॉल स्मॉल स्ट्रक्चर दिखाई देता है जो येलोइश ब्राउन होता है. विच कलर? येलोइश ब्राउन. उसे क्या कहते हैं? पोलन ग्रेन्स. वो विंड की वजह से यहाँ होता है, वहाँ पे दूसरा प्लांट ग्रो करता है. ठीक है. एयर प्लेज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन वाटर साइकिल. हाउ? बिकॉज एज द water vapor goes up, it mixes with air and it condenses, then it becomes in the form of rain on the land. Thank you.